Although it might make us self-conscious, teeth discoloration is incredibly common and it can result from a wide range of issues. Poor mental hygiene, tobacco use, certain food and beverages, the aging process, certain illnesses, certain medication, and even genetics.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to use 3 simple ingredients to whiten the teeth. When it comes on to stain on the teeth, plaque on the teeth, there are many ways of getting rid of it. You can get it professionally removed, or you can try some home remedies such as the one I'm going to share in this video. So if you're interested, if you're looking to whiten that teeth in 7 days, at least 2 shades whiter naturally, follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the recipe with you, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to keep that smile as white as it can be. For this recipe, you're going to need a small bowl. You're also going to need a strainer and a grater. Now let's get started. Now my first ingredient is going to be ginger. Ginger can help whiten and straighten your teeth and gum line. Ginger's powerful natural antibacterial properties help to keep plaque and damaging bacteria at bay. Ginger has been used for toothache. It has also been used for clearing the gum line. So we're going to be using the ginger. So to prepare the ginger, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be peeling the ginger, and then I'm going to grate the ginger. You can also choose to blend the ginger. So let's go ahead and peel. Today I'm using a small piece of ginger. You don't need a lot. So let's peel the ginger.